The OnePlus 12 is shaping to be one of the biggest upgrades in years, boasting a larger display, triple camera system complete with a longer 3x telephoto camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and speedy 80-watt wire charging. Wireless charging also makes a return, which simply adds more value to its already outstanding package. After one cursory glance at the OnePlus 12, I almost mistook it for the OnePlus 11 because it bears a strong resemblance to last year's flagship, complete with the same circular hump featuring the rear cameras. What I still love about the OnePlus 12 design is its ability to maintain a clean look thanks in part to how the rear textured casing repels smudges. Other changes to the design include a repositioned alert slider that's moved from the right edge to the left, a front-facing 32-megapixel camera is now centered on the display, and the addition of the most peculiar thing on the OnePlus 12, an IR blaster fashioned into the top edge. It's been years since I have seen one, but to find one here means from utility from this value flagship Android phone. The only complaint I have about the OnePlus 12 design is that it feels a lot more dense this time around while also making the phone more top-heavy. Sure, the added weight certainly gives it a substantial feel in my hand, but I don't even want to imagine what all the added weight could do if it accidentally smacks the floor. I have previously talked about the biggest stigma that has followed OnePlus phones since the very beginning, how OnePlus often hypes the camera in its flagship only to have them underperform compared to rival devices. However, that could change with the OnePlus 12. The new phone comes armed with an 4th gen Hasselblad camera for mobile system that consists of a main 50-megapixel camera, 48-megapixel ultrawide and a 64-megapixel periscope camera with 3x optical zoom. The latter step above the OnePlus 11's 32-megapixel 2x telephoto camera, but I suspect its telephoto abilities will be boosted with the help of computational photography and the phone's 6x sensor zoom. In fact, it's very similar to the OnePlus Open's telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, which I have found to deliver excellent results that rivals the 5x optical zoom of the Google Pixel 4. I am very optimistic about all the upgrade camera hardware of the OnePlus 12. With its 4th generation Hasselblad camera for mobile, it should produce professional grade portraits, though head-to-head testing with other top camera phones will tell the tale. However, I can't stress enough about the importance of low light performance, an area where OnePlus continually underperforms. We'll soon see if that changes. Over on the video side, you can expect the usual 4K 60fps recording, but there's an option for 8K video recording. I am already excited about the OnePlus 12 because it could be the perfect affordable flagship I have been waiting for. OnePlus has often proclaimed its premium devices as flagship killers, and I think that still stands given the listed OnePlus 12 specs. However, I will save judgment once an actual price is revealed and we can gather a better sense of the phone's value. Beyond the price, the OnePlus 12 design looks sleek and it feels solidly built, but most of all, I'm eager to see how its upgraded cameras perform. It's the one thing that will define whether or not the OnePlus 12 can eclipse its chief rivals and finally take the crown as the best phone. I am hopeful because the OnePlus Open proved me wrong when I had a chance to test that phone. Maybe history can repeat itself this time.